Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about akhlaq. We will also tell you guys some stories related to it. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Let's begin. Allah Ta'ala has created man in the best forms and as the best of creation. He sent Nabi Muhammad ﷺ to perfect the character of mankind. In order to live as decent human beings, we need to have good manners regarding our own conduct and regarding other people. This is known as having good akhlaq. A person with good akhlaq is always clean, respectful, honest and caring. He is loved by Allah Ta'ala and liked by people. People feel safe from the evil of his tongue and hands. He himself enjoys a peaceful life and he makes it impossible for others to do the same. The difference between human beings and animals is that human beings lead their lives based on mercy and respect, while animals lead their lives based on power and strength. When people fail to bring good akhlaq in their lives, they become worse than animals. Muslim manners are derived from the teachings of Allah Ta'ala and His Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The noble character of Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is based on the Quran. If we follow his example, we will be following the Quran. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said that fear of Allah and good manners will admit us into Jannah. Muslim manners do not change with time nor go out of fashion. Muslim manners are for everybody, the rich, poor, male, female, young and old. A Muslim's conduct must first touch these nearest to him, his family and neighbors. Knowledge helps us to understand our religion correctly. It prevents us from wrong beliefs and protects us from the control of shaitan. It is the duty of every male and female to seek knowledge. He who goes out to learn is in the path of Allah. Even the angels spread their wings out of honor for the student of deen. Knowledge is like light and ignorance is like darkness. 3 questions. There was once a man who was an enemy to Islam. He had 3 famous questions that no person could answer. No Islamic scholar in Baghdad could answer his 3 questions. Thus he made fun of Islam in public. He constantly made fun of Islam and the Muslims. One day, a small boy who was 10 years old came along and heard the man yelling and screaming at Muslims in the street. He was challenging the people openly to answer the 3 questions. The boy stood quietly and watched. He then decided that he would challenge the man. He walked up and told the man, "I will accept your challenge." The man laughed at the boy and made fun of the Muslims even more by saying, "A 10-year-old boy challenges me. Is this all you people have to offer?" But the boy patiently remained certain of his challenge. He would challenge the man and with Allah's help and guidance he would put this to an end. The man finally accepted. The entire city gathered around a hillock where open addresses were usually made. The disbeliever climbed to the top and in a loud voice asked his first question, "What is your God doing right now?" The small boy thought for a while and then told the man to climb down the hill and to allow him to go up in order to address the question. The man says, "What? You want me to come down?" The boy says, "Yes. I need to reply, right?" The man made his way down and the little boy made his way up. This little child's reply was, "O Allah Almighty, you will be my witness in front of all these people. You have just made it so that a disbeliever be brought down to a low level, and that a Muslim be brought to a high level." The crowd cheered and screamed, "Allahu Akbar." The man was humiliated, but he boldly asked his second question, "What existed before your God?" The small child thought and thought. Then he asked the man to count backwards. "Count from 10 and backwards." The man counted 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The boy asked, "What comes before 0? The man, "I don't know, nothing." The boy, "Exactly. Nothing was before Allah, for He is and will be forever." The crowd cheered again, Allahu Akbar. The man, now completely angry, asked his final question, "In which direction is your Allah facing?" The boy thought and thought. He then asked for a candle. A candle was brought to him. The blessed child handed it to the man and asked him to light it. The man did so and remarked, "What is this supposed to prove?" The young boy asked, "In which direction is the light from the candle going?" The man responded, "It is going in all directions." The boy, "You have answered your own question. Allah's nur goes in all directions. He is everywhere. There is nowhere that He cannot be found." The crowd cheered, Allahu Akbar. The man was so impressed and so moved by the boy's knowledge and spirituality that he embraced Islam and became a murid, student of the young boy. Salaam. Salaam is a dua of peace for our fellow Muslims. It creates love and unity among believers. It shows that we are all equal brothers and sisters in Islam. When two Muslims meet each other and greet each other by shaking hands, Allah forgives them before their hands separate. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said that the dearest person to Allah is one who greets first. We must always be the first to make salam. A younger person must greet those elder than him. A person walking must greet one who is sitting. A small group must greet a bigger group. We make salam by shaking hands as far as possible. We make salam to those we know and to those we do not know. We make salam in a loud voice so that the other person hears our salam. We also answer the salam of a person in a loud voice so that he can hear our reply. We make salam each time we meet and when we depart. Allah rewards us for making salam. Only to offer salam. Sayyidina Abdullah radiallahu anhu was the son of Sayyidina Umar radiallahu anhu. He had seen Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam greet everybody young and old, rich and poor. He offered salam also to the children. Abdullah radiallahu anhu loved Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so he tried to imitate him in the saying of the salam. He made it a habit to pass through the bazaar only to greet the people. He greeted everybody he met, the shopkeepers, the passerby, and the children. One day, someone asked him, "You came daily to the shops, but you never buy or sell anything. You don't even stop to chat to anyone. Why then do you come to the bazaar?" Sayyidina Abdullah radiallahu anhu replied, "I come out to the bazaar only to offer salam to the people." Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something from today's video.